Hey everyone, let's talk about color, the element of art that lets artists express emotion, intention, and personality. Color is one of the most powerful elements of art. It can set a mood, tell a story, or express emotion. Color has the ability to instantly change how we feel about a work of art. Think about the last artwork that you reacted to. Color probably played an important role. Hue refers to the name of a pure color. The primary hues are red, yellow, and blue. When you mix them, you get the secondary hues: orange, green, and violet. Mixing a primary with a secondary creates intermediate hues, like aqua, a blue-green, or chartreuse, a yellow-green. Artists often use a color wheel to explore relationships between hues. Colors opposite each other on the wheel are called complementary colors. Red and green, blue and orange, yellow and violet. Placing complementary colors side by side can make each one appear more vibrant. Colors are also described as warm or cool. Warm colors, red, orange, and yellow, tend to feel energetic and inviting. Cool colors, blue, green, and violet, create a calmer, more soothing mood. Warm colors seem to move forward in a composition, while cool colors often appear to recede, creating a sense of depth. Once you start seeing these color schemes, you'll notice them everywhere. Color value refers to how light and dark a color appears. When you add white to a color, you create a tint. When you add black or another dark hue, you create a shade. Using a range of tints and shades of the same hue, sometimes called a monochromatic palette, can create harmony and unity within a piece. Neutral hues, like black, white, and gray, are often thought of as the absence of color, but they play an essential role in balancing compositions. Brown and beige, though technically tints and shades, are also considered neutrals. Fun fact, brown is a shade of orange. I love that fact. It surprises people all the time. The intensity or purity of a color is called chroma, or in digital terms, saturation. Highly saturated colors feel bold and vivid, while low saturation colors feel muted and soft. Color isn't just visual, it's emotional and symbolic. It can represent mood, meaning, or memory. Artists use color to attract attention, exaggerate reality, and to communicate what words can't always say. So as you create, think about how color tells your story and use it to bring your artwork to life. If you liked this breakdown of the elements of art, hit like and subscribe for more art insights and creative ideas.